Hello, and welcome to That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer. And this is going to be an unboxing video. I've got to tell you something. I love my family. They are supportive more than you'll ever know. They know I have a video channel now, or a YouTube channel, and for Christmas, I started getting all kinds of food-related gifts, and I've got quite a few to show. Oh, and by the way, this shirt was done by my daughter-in-law, which brings up the other piece. I want to show you a gift that was given to me by my youngest son and his family, and we're going to do an unboxing, okay? Get ready for this one, folks. That's right. It's another air fryer. It's the Power XL Vortex Air Fryer Pro Plus, as seen on TV. I've only peeked inside the lid. So let's unbox this thing and see what's in there, shall we? I know these unboxing videos are very popular on YouTube, so I wanted to do one. So here we go. Let's get started. Step 1, step 2, step 3. There's a bunch of steps on the lid. We'll do that later. Follow us on Facebook at Official Power XL. I may do that too. I invite you to do it, if you so wish. Okay, so let's turn this around. And you see there what's inside. Let me see if I can get it out. And we'll take a look at this. I'm a bad man, by the way. First thing I said when I opened this, it was this past Sunday. Because of COVID, Christmas gifts came a little late this year, like right before February. But that's okay too. I understand. I don't want anybody to get anything from me, and I really don't want anybody to give me something. So, oh, what was that? It was metal. Oh, there it is. Look at this Klingon looking thing. Well, I saw a picture on the box. It says it's got a rotisserie in it. So that might be part of the rotisserie. Take this. And there's your manual packet. America's favorite food recipes. And yeah, that's that one. And the rotisserie recipe book. And the dehydration recipe. This is a dehydrator too. And the owner's manual. Cool. Let's open the bag here and take a look. I am excited. I'm like a kid when I get a new cooking tool. You probably already knew that about me. Here we go. Cord. Okay, now let's take. Ooh, it's taped shut. Take that off. And take that off. Oh, it's almost like an oven door. And look in here. You see that? Look at this. When I use my current air fryer, I have the lid, and then I just load it up with tater tots. This, apparently I can put in 3 levels. That makes sense since it's also a dehydrator. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. I can't wait. There will definitely be a video to come. Maybe I'll do a side-by-side comparison with the old air fryer and the new air fryer and see what tater tot comes out as. Or there is this Jim Dandy Klingon looking rotisserie deal. We can give that a shot too. So that was my first unboxing video. And yes, there will be a follow-up where I'm using this. So it's been another episode of That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and you know the deal. My face is right over here. I found out that you can either click it or, all right? I don't care. It's just a picture anyway. So until next time, bye.